What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Kreative back at it again. Say it with me to go ahead and create something great. Now, today we're going to be paper testing
Opening order filled. Opening order filled. Closing order filled. Opening order filled. Closing order filled. Closing order filled. Opening order filled. Closing order filled. Opening order filled. Opening order filled.
God of my presence.
Closing order filled. Closing order filled. Order cancelled. Opening order filled. Closing order filled. Closing order filled. Opening order filled. Opening order filled. Closing order filled. Opening order filled. Closing order filled. Closing order filled. Closing order filled. Opening order filled. Order cancelled. Opening order filled. Closing order filled. Closing order filled. Opening order filled. Closing order filled. Opening order filled. Opening order filled. Closing order filled. Closing order filled.
So right now we are paper trading, and I am going to be back in a bit so we can like actually review and see what happened for the paper trades. So a few more moments, we're just going to allow the bots to paper trade. That's why I really haven't been talking as much. I mean, I did take a few never mind, but nonetheless, we're just going to let these bots paper trade, and if I see something interesting, I'll bring it to y'all's attention. But for right now, the main attraction is letting these bots paper trade so we can actually start validating our strategies. So we have another bot about to open up a position. Wait, I need to fix this error. Okay, so I want to fix that error, but everything else seems good. I just have an error for Lotto bot that I need to fix. So let me just highlight this real quick. So I'll go fix that error in a bit, but besides that, everybody else looks like it's going well. The winner today, I'm not going to hold you, is Momo. I did not expect that. And then we have Twinning right here, our new bot that we just made yesterday. And then also this little bot right here has been active. So everybody's is getting it in, right? So everybody's having a little bit of fun today. So that's a great thing. It's just scalping, baby. I'm not going to hold you. That one needs a little bit more attention. All right, so again, we're just going to allow these to go, and if I do see a trade or anything interesting pops up, I will bring it to y'all's attention. But for right now, biggest thing is allowing these bots to go. Oh, my fault, my fault, my fault. Yeah, let's just allow these bots to go. We'll be back in a bit.
Opening order filled. Closing order filled.
All right, let's go and fix the Lotto bot issue. What I need to do, give me a second. We're gonna go fix the Lotto bot issue. I just need to go get Cursor open real quick. Oh. Oh. Beautiful. Okay, let's go fix this Lotto bot issue. And it's something simple. It shouldn't be that big. Okay, open up. Let's go ahead and get...
Opening order filled.
Whoa, somebody just opened the order. So let me pause on that. Who opened the order? Oh. This is the Easy Reader bot. We created this with y'all. Was this yesterday or Sunday? So let's check it out. So it's up 2% right now. So I want to see if the manual works. So next time I see it up, okay. Why aren't we closing? The position isn't
Closing order filled.
We closed it at 12. We got another one.
Opening order
position.
filled.
Back to
Opening
back.
order filled.
Okay. We're active right now. We have another order opened. So we're up on that one. This is our SPY bot. I'm going to let that one go. Get right down a bit. So we have 2 orders open. All right, now I'm going to let you run. Let's go. Oh, come on. SPY, it's up not even 1% right now. It was up 2%. Now it's down. It's down a bit, fam. Let's go check on. Oh, come on. You go there. How are you doing? What are you gonna do? Should we be patient with this one or should we just close it out? All right, next time I see it in the yellow, we're gonna go ahead and close her out. What are you doing? Okay, down a bit. We're down a bit. Okay, rally for me, but rally. Okay, just rally.
Closing order filled.
4.7. I should have let that one rallied. Oh, this one is rallying. It's up 7% right now. 8%. Let me see if it works.
Closing order filled.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure that I just added the manual. So if we wanted to close an order, I just wanted to make sure that all the bots are listening and closes the order.
Opening order filled.
Somebody just opened up another one. Okay, here we go. Sniper's in the game.
God of my presence.
Some of them are going to have alerts like that. Others don't. I just haven't gotten around
Opening order filled.
Whoa, we are active, baby. We are active. Oh, penny for you. Just open up another one. Okay. We're active right now. I love it. I love it. There's a lot of great things going on. So Sniper had one order today and we're up $19. So let's see if we can keep that trend. Oh, look at that. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Closing order filled.
Beautiful. So it's listening to me too. All right, who just closed the order? And you're opening up another one. Did we close positive? Did we close positive?
Opening order
We
filled.
closed positive. Now we are in another one. I love it. Super bear market today, and we're catching them. Who else is just okay? It is just we got another order.
Opening order filled.
We got another order.
Opening order filled.
Okay.
God of my presence.
We're active, y'all. There's another order that's about to open right now, too. We're active, y'all. All right, let me let you go. Who haven't I checked on? Oh, Lotto opened one. That's what's up. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Ooh. Just opened up a put. 616. It cost us how much? How much? How much?
Closing order filled.
Somebody just closed the. Did we close up? You're opening it.
Opening order filled.
Okay, we are like really active. Okay, did we close up? No, you're still in it. Okay. Who just opened and closed? So you're open. So you're in a position right now. Okay. All right. Momo's in a position. No. Freak, that is going to throw it off. IBKR just crashed on us. Okay. Okay, you're back up. Okay, you're back up. Perfect. I know it's back up. It's back up.
Closing order filled.
Freak. Okay. Did we close up? No. Close down. You hit stop loss. Okay. I know. Damn, stop loss hit. Okay. Should I just go in and go close the position? Okay. Just to make sure you can.
Closing order filled.
Okay. You still can. You hit stop loss. Freaking A. All right, let me just go close these positions real quick. Hold on.
Closing order filled.
Yeah, I know. I know, bro. I already closed it. I already closed it.
Closing order filled.
This is QQQ. Freaking A. Give me a second. I'm about to go close it right now. This is wild. Yeah, I know. I know. There we go. I just closed it.
Closing order filled.
So you should be Gucci. Let me just make sure. Okay. I need to restart you as well. Where's the Python? Okay. Perfect. Let's go ahead and get you restarted. Okay. I already closed it. Don't worry. Oh, it's penny for you. That's dope. I'm going to fix. Okay. I'm going to use you as a reference. I need to restart penny for you. That's what happens when IBKR. I'm not going to hold you. I'm looking into transitioning. Okay. You're Gucci. Did you still bullshit. So let me just close this one out. Oh crap. Come on. Just listen to me. Open up a new one. I need to go here. Open up view. Who is that? Second Chance? I think that's Second Chance. I'm pretty sure that's Second Chance. That's Second Chance, isn't it? Yep. Second Chance. Yep. Second Chance. Okay. All right. And then run Second Chance spot. Okay. You go right there. Finally. Only took 30 minutes. All right. Everybody should be Gucci now. All right. Everybody should be Gucci. Let me just make sure everybody's Gucci. Okay. Okay. We're good. That was just very annoying. I'm not going to hold you. All right. Now I still need to go fix this. All right. We still need to go fix Lotto Baby's issues. So let's go do that while we're still paper trading. Perfect. Open folder. These are the positions I just had to close because it was spazzing out. All right. Open you up. Resume. The reason I like to resume is because the context is already there. I don't need to rebuild it. Review the error we got today from running Lotto. Let's find the issue and fix it. I really need to figure out, maybe 9 is the maximum. Max number of bolts we can run there, yeah, without getting an issue. I probably need to get some over to alpaca, because I want to try that out as well, because I think alpaca may be useful for us to use in addition to IBKR. So I'm going to try alpaca out. Okay. Perfect. Now update with what we have done. Whenever we change something, I'm always going to have it update the change log so we can keep reference and keep track of it. Because it definitely helps when you was like, okay, why did I change this? Why did that change? So this is just a habit that I picked up, I want to say a few weeks ago, maybe a few months ago, to being able to use the change log. And then we're going to have our journal that we're going to denote some of these items to. Okay, perfect. So now let's go back to trading. All right, let's have a go around to everybody. Remember, we just had to restart that bot. Meaning, where you at? Had to restart you as well. Oh, order about to be open. Wait, why are we? Okay, we need to go fix this issue and find out what is causing this. Who is this Meanie? All right, now we're going to come here. Who's Meanie? Meanie is... Find out what the issue is there. I said, no sense to mix. All right, we can clear that. Let's go get Claude. Remember, we only use 4.5. While that's loading, let me go get the error again. Got the error. Let's see if I have one open. Perfect, I do. Review the error we got from the bot today. Let's find the issue and properly fix. Why are you going to Lotto? Ah, crap. Damn, I knew I should have deleted you. My fault. Here is the error to focus on, not Lotto. We already took care of that. Error, IBKR market data connection issue, no critical issue. This is just a warning, not a fatal error. Common cause, TWS subscription inaction or initializing. Market open at 9:30. Bot likely started during market hours. The TWS to market data farms after startup. The farms mentioned H farms, EU farms, and J farms, different data centers, data. Is it a problem? No, this is a normal and usually resolves itself. TWS IBKR initializes multiple data farms upon connection. Takes about 10 to 30 seconds to establish all connections. Error 2108 appearing during initiation. Bot continues working once the farms connect. Are we executing? If bot trades normally after these errors, ignore them. This is just TWS noise. It is trading normally. I don't think there is an yeah, it's doing normally. So that was just noise. Okay. So let's keep going. Making our rounds. Star Baby. That one hasn't found anything yet. Easy. 4 trades. All right. It's very active because this bot is maybe like 2 days old. So active. All right. Momo, just had to restart you. You're good. Penny for you. Had to restart you. You're good. Lotto. I kind of need to restart you, but you're Gucci right now. Bel Air. IBK are disconnected. What? Let me just restart that because that is not giving me. Because remember, it low key crashed a bit. Okay, IBK are connected. Alpaca, you have your VIX. Okay, perfect. Now you're Gucci. Let's go look at Twinning. Twinning, do we have any errors? No errors. All right, you're Gucci. And then Sniper, what we screaming? You Gucci? Same little data farm issue. All right, you're Gucci. All right, so we're just gonna let these bots run. The paper trading finishes start finishing at 11:30. Our last bot finishes at 11:58. So I'm just gonna let these run. This is practically what we're going to be doing today. I don't want to over convolute it. Maybe I'll start another stream where I am actually developing a few things, but this is primarily what we're going to be doing. If y'all do have any questions while we're working this out, please don't be afraid to ask them within the chats. It is your boy Kreative, and we're paper trading today.
Opening order filled. Opening order filled.
We got some action, y'all. We got some
God of my
action.
presence.
Sniper and what was that? Second chance. We got some action. All right, come on. Come on, push for me. Come on. You see, only holds it for 8 minutes. We're trying to be in and out that thing. And then Sniper is 12 minutes. I'm going to make one that holds it for 5 minutes. Legit. Maybe that'll be the next bot I create. I'm talking about 3 to 5 minutes. You're in and out. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to be the next spot I create. And I'm going to do that after this little session here. I'm going to use QQQ, just a heads up, because got enough SPY. Or SPY. I'm going to do 2. I need a choppy market one, and then one that's going to hold the back. Maybe the choppy will be the 5-minute one. I don't know. Let's see. Down in both of these positions. You're about to stop loss. Unless you rally. Are you going to rally? I believe in you. Okay, let me look at the position that was open. This was a put, so it's a bearish breakout that was detected. We bought a put for with 617 strike, and we bought this for 104. That was quite expensive, fam. All right, I'm gonna keep my eyeball on you because you wasn't supposed to go that high. And what is this contract? We got another bearish breakout. QQQ bought a put for 616, $83. All right, that's a little bit more. You're just wilding with that one. Probably looks like an L for both of these positions. I'm not going to hold you. Was both of this QQQ? That'll be sent. You found 617. I'm going to. That's so great. QQQ. So both of these are QQQ.
Closing order filled.
Yeah, you stop loss. Crazy loss for you, kid.
Closing order filled.
You too. So both of our QQQ bots almost found the same thing. And both stop loss. That's interesting. But these are two different strategies. My dog over here is using SMA, and you're using straight price movement. I want to use that and just learn from it. All right, so I'm going to let these things go. A lot of great stuff is happening here, fam. A lot of great stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna let these go. And if I see anything interesting again, I will bring it to y'all's attention.
Opening order filled.
So we just opened the order, another little bearish breakout. This is SPY now, 680 SPY. We bought it for $71 and looks like it may be moving against us. It's moving a bit against us. So that's the thing with these bearish breakouts, you know. So let's see. What is our stop loss? Stop loss is 28. That's interesting. So trending. Okay, you're the only one. Come on, baby. Turn for me. Turn for me. Also see here there's some work that we're going to need to do. for some of our bots. Okay, this one is probably headed for the worst. Let's see if patience pays. Let's see if patience pays. What do y'all think? Come on, baby. And I think I have another hypothesis for this 5-minute bot that I'm going to create. I think I'm just going to only allow it to trade 90 minutes from market open till 11, and that's it. Because I'm noticing that I thought the choppy zone started and like that lunch drawdown started at noon, but it may be starting a little bit closer to 11 as opposed to noon. And this is just based off a couple of paper trades that I've seen. All right, keep going. You're almost there. This is just based off a couple of paper trading sessions that I've seen these past few weeks. That the choppy zone, I thought that lunch little choppy zone that you get, because normally when it comes to markets, right, you're gonna have your morning rush from that 9th. The market opens at 9:30 Eastern Standard. So from 9:30 till about maybe 10:45, 11. I thought it was 12, but data's telling us something different. So from about 9:30 till about 10:45, 10:50, 10:58 ish. That's where you're going to have almost the best moves on the market, right? You're going to see your good gainer. You're going to have momentum to be able to carry out the positions. Then it starts losing steam around like 11:15 ish. Now again, this is just an opinion or based on observation. It starts losing steam a bit like around 11:15, like now 11:15, right? Because this position started negative. I mean, it's looking to be able to see if it has steam to turn positive, but I don't think so, right? So let's see. Oh, and to the point, I haven't traded afternoon sessions yet because I'm like very, very wary on doing that. Reason being so is because the options that were opened up here are 0 DTE, meaning that these are options that expire the same day. So a theory is that for 0 DTE, like you probably want to stop trading at 11 as opposed to like going into the hour of 11. So that's a thought, and I'm going to carry this thought into our 5-minute sprinter here, because I think that would be something that maybe it will be advantageous to us. So let's just sit back and watch and see if this position turns for us. Come on. Looks like it may turn. Patience pays, huh? Patience pays. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Damn, the lowest it got was like 2.1. Come on. Come on. It just turned positive. So we just break even. Damn. Just went negative again. Yeah,
Closing order filled.
Let's just get out of that one. That was a bit hectic, yeah. All right, so let's let these babies go. And if y'all do have any questions, please let me know. I think this is phenomenal for us to be able to do. Let's go. Oh, that's where you came from. That's what's up. That's what's up, homie. Doing fantastic stuff. Okay. Momo. Let's just go have a look around at everybody. Let me start at Sniper. 4 trades. We're down a bit, and I can't wait to go look at these. Matter of fact, let me just go take a peek. Market wasn't open, and then boom, market opens. What's your first trade? Okay, your first trade is at 9:47, 17 minutes after the market opens. You detected a bearish breakout. My dog trades. You trade Yep, you trade QQQ. So we bought a strike at 617, 617.50. That's weird. You can't buy half positions, but okay, that it went through. That's interesting. So where did we get the strike? 617. That's what I thought, because you can't buy half. So I need to fix Sniper. So that's another thing I need to keep in mind, because you can't buy half. It needs to be whole. So 617, we bought it for 81. Okay. You went from down. We're up 15%. What happened with this position? We're up 26%. Okay, so we filled. Okay, so we hit TP. All right, so we closed it after 1.5 minutes, let's call it, up 26%. So we bought at, what did we buy? At 81, and we closed at 105. So we bought it for $81. We closed at $100. Nice little 1966. All right. Where's your second trade? Where's your second trade? And then it was almost an hour, 50 minutes later. Second trade, another bearish breakout. And now we're going for 616. I think before it was 617. Now we're going for 616. Bought it for $67. All right. Highest I see right now is 12. So we closed it at, because I was here. I seen it. So I came and I closed the position up 12% because I wanted to see if this sell worked. So we closed the position, and now we're up on these two positions. Okay. Now, this is a bearish day, bruh. Another bearish breakout. We're just going down the ladder. We are from 617, 616, now 615, $71. Other position just turned against us. This was a bad one. Stop loss. Okay, then the last one we just watched. All right, so that's all 4 trades. That's kind of dope. So I wonder if I didn't take the intervention, could the position could have gotten higher? Maybe. I don't know. Twinning, you really didn't do much today. Bel Air, you didn't do much today, but I restarted you. Lotto, yeah, you said we're in choppy conditions, and that's why I'm going to create another choppy bot that can trade in these type of positions. So SPY, penny for you. You did something. I had to restart you. Momo, same here. Oh, you know what? I really need to create a bear bot, like a real. Okay, we're in a bearish trend to create that bot. Okay, so I have 3 on the list that I want to create: a choppy, a 5-minute sprinter, and then a bear bot. Maybe I'll combine all 3. Maybe they'll just be 3 separate bots. I'm liking that to be 3 separate bots. I'm not going to hold you. Easy 4 trades. Let's go look at these 4 trades. All right, waiting, and then when did you find your first trade? You found your first trade when... Okay, perfect. You found your first trade at 951, a bullish breakout. You trade QQQ. That's interesting. Everybody's been doing bearish, but you found bullish. So you thought the market was going up. So we bought a call. We bought this call at...
Opening order filled.
Okay, let me shut up. Somebody just opened the order. Who opened the order?
God of my presence.
Hold on. Damn it. We have 2 orders. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Damn it. Damn it. Give me a second. 3 orders. All right. Second chance. Bearish put 616. That's interesting. Currently down in that one right now. Then we have penny for you. We have about another order that's about to open. Bearish put SPY 678. Bought it for $62. So we're up in this position right now. Up 7%. We're up 9% in this position. I'm not going to hold you. I want you to get a win. Let's see if you listen. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Come on, listen to me, bruh. Okay, hold on.
Closing order filled.
Thank you for listening to me. Oh, we're up. Okay. Let me see what you gonna scream. Are you gonna listen to
Closing
me?
order filled.
So why does some take? And you about to open up
Opening
another one?
order filled.
That's crazy. You said when it's good, it's good.
Closing order filled.
You bought kind of expensive. I'm not gonna hold you. You about to open up another one? Great. You said what I'm right. I'm right. But you can't do halves. You got to do whole.
Opening order filled.
616. Is that the same one we just got? Is that the same one? 616. Okay, 616. It must be it. Okay, let me just let you do your thing. Where are you at? Oh man, we went from being up a bit. Now we're down a bit. Is this classic over trading? A little bit. Bought it for $102. That's way outside of your punching. Bruh, not gonna hold you. It's a bit down, yeah? It's a bit down. Come on. Come on.
Opening order filled.
Oh, we got another. Who just opened? Okay. Are you bearish? You're bullish. Everybody's bearish, but you're bullish. You're saying it's going to bounce. You bought a call on QQQ 621. QQQ's current price is 618. That's interesting. Oh, look, you just turned. Now keep going. Keep going, homie. Come on. Come on. Where's your... Okay. Come on. That's crazy. This is going to be interesting to see how that... This is a bearish position. This is the bullish position. Who's going to win out? It seems that the bulls are taking over. Bulls are taking over.
Closing order filled.
Yeah. Who just closed it? Hold on. I'm interested here. Bulls are in the house.
Closing order filled.
Oh, we closed it at 19%. Beautiful. We're profitable. I love when you work. Damn, you about to stop loss. We closed at a slightly up stop loss. The market is turning. Market is turning. It was bullish. Excuse me, it was bearish all morning. I guess, okay, Easy Reader was right. Because it said, okay, bulls are coming back out. The buyers are coming back out. This is a
closing order filled.
Yeah.
Opening order filled.
Did you just open up another? Okay. Now, interesting. Did you open up a bull? Oh, you're bearish on the market? You're bearish on SPY. Bruh, look how it just turned again. It went from up 10%. Look how it just turned against us. Oh, you just got another order? Are you oh, you're bullish now. You went from being bearish to bullish. Remember, we were just bearish. Right? Now we're bullish. You said I want to catch we bullish on the market. What do we call a call? The current price is $681. We'd call that $684. We bought it for $54. All right, talk to me nice. Yeah, this one bearish. Is this SPY? This is SPY. So that's interesting. This is the bearish. This is the bull. So let's see who wins. That's interesting, fam. All right, I gotta kind of restart you, or should I just even? Yeah. Let me see if you actually close down. Who's going to win? The bulls are trying to make it back. Let's go look at the bear position. Still down. It was up. Went from 10, 4, 3, 2. Where we buy at? We bought at $60. This is your first trade. Really your second. The bulls are trying, y'all. But like we just caught it. I don't know. I think it's about to dip again. I think the bears are right. Maybe we just caught a pump fake. I don't know. I don't know, bruh. Same issue. I really need to fix why. Oh, crap. My fault. Why they spaz like that? Because it's not supposed to be the case, fam. Yeah, that's funny. So that'll be interesting to really look at that. Okay, perfect. And you go back to your corner. Thank you. Where you at? All right, Bears, come on. Where you at, bull? All right. Oh, this position is going for the worst, bro. You really holding this down. Come on, bulls. Oh, bulls are right there. Come on, you right the fault, bro. You right there. Come on. Come on. I know you say you're supposed to take the emotions out. Oh, look at that. Just turn. Now keep going. Look at that. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. No. Thank you. That's the right way. Keep climbing that ladder. Keep climbing that ladder. Keep climbing that ladder. You're going the right way. Come on. I don't know what you. Okay. Maybe you kind of shy. Yeah, the Bears are completely lost. It's a Bulls time. Come on. That's crazy.
Closing order filled.
Yeah, I told you. It's crazy for you. Come on. Damn, that just turned. That just escalated. Come on, patience pays. Patience pays. Patience pays. Let's go. That's why sometimes I just don't like the look. I just be like, all right. Let you do your thing. Second chance. You're good. About another 9 minutes or so. Most of our bots are going to be done. I'm going to take a quick intermission. Then I'll be right back, son. Come on. It's like you keep refreshing your phone. She's going to text back. She's going to text back. She's going to text back. Come on. All right. You're almost there. You almost there. Show them why patience pays, homie. Show them why patience pays, homie. It's probably going to time stop. I think I also need to come up with a more intelligent way to select the strike prices. That's what I'm really going to spend. Yeah. That bitch just took a wild left. Wild left, fam.
Closing order filled.
Oh, time. Time stop. That's interesting. 8.5 minutes.
Opening order filled.
All right, penny for you. Oh, you're bearish on the market again? You bought a 680. We bought it for $73. You're bearish on the market? Is this is the initial one? Yes. Oh no, you just okay. That's the bull. So you went from being bullish to bearish, right? Let me just triple check. You went from being bullish to bearish, right? Yep. So let's see, fam. Where we bought it. We bought a 680 and it's 681.74. Bought it for $73. Come on, fam.
Opening order filled.
Oh, we got another QQQ. Who opened it? Who opened it? Oh, you're bullish on QQQ right now. All right, go ahead. Take off. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me go look at what you screaming right now. I feel like it's testing new resistance levels. I need you to push past the resistance. Push past the fam. Push past the resistance, fam. Push past the resistance, fam. Push past the resistance, fam. Push past.
Closing order filled.
Yeah, I'm not even going to play with it. I am not even going to play with you. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, we are positive. Good work, fam. Good work.
Closing order filled.
Yeah, you stop loss. Yeah, you need to stop anyway. You about to be done. What time are you done? 11:44. I don't even think I want to let you. Nah, bro, cause you've been wilding today, Penny. You've been wilding today, Penny. All right, about another 2 minutes. Most of our bots are going to stop anyway. So, and then 14 minutes after that, some more of our bots, and then 14 more minutes after that. I don't know if I did that on purpose. Then we're done for today. So again, y'all been getting great stuff. We've been paper trading, some good, some bad, but overall, I would say lovely items, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna let these go, and if I see anything else, I'll bring it to your attention.
Opening order filled.
Cal, we just caught a position, fam.
Closing order filled.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let you miss that one. That was fantastic. What did you just catch there? A bullish breakout. We caught a bullish right before. Okay. So we have a couple. You're done for the day. Who else? You're done for the day. Let me just double check. I'm almost certain. Lamb 30. So you're done for the day. Yeah, you might as well just thank you for your service. You're finito. Who else? 5 trades. I'm gonna go look at that. You 11:30. Yep, you're done for the day. Okay. Who else? All right, everybody else is running. Damn, kid, you really just caught that smooth. What was it? You caught a 622, $80. You almost hit 20. Damn near hit 22%. Went from 13, 13, 13, boom, jump. So, I just threw my little theory out the window. About okay, perfect. You shut down. You shut down. You shut down. And everybody else who's supposed to be running is still running. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Maybe somebody will catch a little. Because I didn't expect second chance to catch that one. I'm not going to hold you. That was a nice one for you. Nice one to pad the stats. I guess we can do that. Then I can do this. I can do that. Beautiful. These are our remaining bots that are running. So let's see what they do. Let's see how they perform. Maybe it's good. Okay, I'm going to try something. I'll be right back. While we're waiting, what I can do is a bit of QA work, maybe, on the bots that are done. Who are you? Bear baby. All right. Let's go open you up. And if I see anything, this is just part of my process too. Like after they're done paper trading, it's like, all right, let's go check out their performance. And if I see a trade open, I will let y'all know. And again, I'm only going to be doing about 30 minutes, 20 more minutes of this. Today is the 12th. Let's go ahead and grab those. Let's go into a previous session. Your awesome review the following from the logs today. Use grep/awk and let's discuss performance. Who else is done? Delta Surge. So while that's going as well, let's do 2 for 1. There you are. Let's do a Lotto 2 for 1, yeah. Same thing. Today's the 12th. Let's grab the 12th. Resume. Use grep and awk to search the logs from today's session and advise findings. All right. So trade 1, we hit TP4 extremely fast in less than a minute and a half. Order didn't fill because it was a half. Was this the half one? 58 retries. That's crazy. Retried over 2 minutes. That's crazy. Order 1 time stop. Okay. Critical issues. 58 retries over 2 minutes. Order stuck trying to fill at 35 and 36. The theta data mid price showed 35 through 39. Bot kept trying but never got filled. What happened? Fast moving market during stop loss. Limit orders too far from the market. Paper trading may have execution delays. Okay, this worked as predicted. All right, 1, so 50% win, but 1, really 2, because the, all right, before, let's update the journal. Oh, fuck. This is our trading journal. Remember I was talking about that? Started it this week. I'm not going to hold you. It looked like I haven't been doing it all the time, but I just started so we can keep up with it. On Monday, we had 3 trades, 66%. We made $20. And then yesterday, we had 3 trades, right? All losers. And I wanted to figure out why. So this is why I want to be able to keep this journal so we can keep a tally of what's working, what's not, what do we fix, so on and so forth, right? So let's update the journal based on today's performance. Then let's investigate why the,
Opening order filled.
somebody just opened the order. Somebody just opened the order. So let me just get back over there. I know why they didn't. Oh, look, good second chance. Second chance. Just, oh, you went from bullish to bearish. That's crazy for you. But you're right. You're right. And this is 2-3 minutes before you gotta close. That's crazy, fam. Let's see how right you are. Let's see how right you are. But you don't, you know what you don't go broke doing? Taking a profit. You know what? I'm not even going to be greedy. I'm not even going to be
Closing
greedy.
order
Just
filled.
go ahead and close that out, pet partner. It was just all that just got eaten by fees. I should have just let you go. All right, whatever. I should have just let it go. Okay, now you come here. Damn, I should have just let it go. Whatever. Remember, so what you're seeing right now is a bit of QA, just me going through the logs, figuring out what happened today, what worked, what didn't, what we need to adjust. So this is for our Star Baby bot. So while you're outputting, go ahead and append. Okay. Beautiful. Today's session, evening and morning star. Okay, no trades. 626 scans performed every 10 seconds. 100% rejections. Why? Looking at the rejection pattern. Okay, bar 2 was too large. Bar 1 and 3 was a bit too small. Entry window. Error writing. I fixed that. The bot ran successfully but was too picky. No evening or morning star patterns met the strike criteria today. The range was from 683 to 684, possibly not volatile enough for the pattern requirement. Recommendations. No. What I'm going to do is keep it and just let's update our journal, fam. All right. Let's update the journal with today's performance. All right. Perfect. I know why. Remember IBKR crashed on us, so that's why this couldn't fill. So I understand that piece. Do we have time for one more? Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Because you know there are a couple of bots that are just finishing up. So I believe you're done for the day, yeah? 44, 44. Okay, so you're done for the day. Fam, so you're not gonna listen to me? You're done for the day. You are done. Matter of fact, let's go do Easy Rider because that's one I really am curious about. So you're done, you're done, you're done. And we have 3 more running. Oh, no, Twinning is done too. All right, let's go look at Easy Rider, y'all. Option, where are you? There we go. So I have a few more bots running. And what I'm doing right now is just a bit of QA work. Okay, yes. But remember, I only use 4.5. So go ahead and clear that out. Damn it, whatever. There's just going to be a little double vision. We got a session. Today is the 12th. Use grep and arc terminal commands to review today's session and advise of findings. All right, beautiful, beautiful. 0 DTE QQQ EMA plus RSI 3 strategy. This is the bot's first time running, so I'm really interested to see how this one performed. And then there were two. Okay, sorry. All right, let's come back here. That's nice and organized. What we're doing here, we're just going over the bot's performance for Easy Reader, a bot that we created earlier this week, and I wanted to check this is its first day actually paper trading, so I wanted to see its performance. Oh, second day, talking my shit. Sorry, second day paper trading. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I love it. I should have looked at the journal. All right, review, and let's update the journal with today's performance. Then afterwards, let's review each trade, peak, why the trigger happened, so we can ensure bot is working and no issues to fix. Well, this is beautiful. Like another 5 or 10 minutes, we'll be wrapping up here. Today's primarily was about being able to paper trade. Yeah, I'm doing some QA maintenance stuff on the side, but this is part of the process. So I'm glad y'all are seeing this too. I mean, it is nice to be able just to run the bot, right? But you also need to maintain it. So this is part of the process of being able to maintain it. Review the log. What happened? What was good? What can we change? What can we improve upon, right? And get it ready for tomorrow. Low key, I want to take a deep dive on the sessions too, because I kind of want to run a bot, deploy it with real money, because there's a couple that I'm thinking will be ready to go tomorrow, with real money instead of paper. But again, right now I want to let them. I don't want to rush the process, right? So I rather be slow and right than fast and wrong, right? So let's let these things go, fam. So most of our bots done about 7 more minutes, 5 more minutes, right? Until it's done for the day, until we're done trading for the day. I'm not going to hold you. I should have let the last position I closed. I should have just let it run. I should have just let it run, fam. Yeah, that part. First, trade 5, 6, analyze with detail. Okay. Price timelines, I love it. RSI zones, effectiveness, 3-second monitoring cycle, comparison, critical findings, 67% manual intervention, leaving $18 to $20 on the table. I agree. I agree. Stop. Just let that thing go, man. You trained it, right? So this is one thing I was talking about, like why almost 80-90% of algo traders fail, right? It's because their emotions. Like you want to be able to say, oh, I know better, but no, sometimes we don't. Like we train the bots for a reason, right? We've allowed them to be able to go through their matriculation. It's not like, oh, it's idea bot. No, it's idea back test, then bot. You don't have to create a document. You do not have to create a doc. Just output here in the chat session. Yeah, as soon as the bots are done trading, then I'm going to be done for this particular session. Okay. Trade 1, immediate drop, brief relief, back to break even, first profit, building, peak, tracked by bot, and then reversal begins, stop loss triggered. Analysis peaked at $88 okay, then new TP is 16, never reached it, 7.2 below. Stop loss triggered at 21%, the actual exit was 23. Slippage, bot behavior, peak tracking worked, bot recorded the peak at 88, okay, 93%. The 3-second monitoring captured the decline, monitored every 3 seconds. The stop loss auto triggered correctly when the price hit $63. No manual intervention, the bot handled the exit correctly. P&L tracking accurate. Why the stop loss triggered? Because the position peaked at 9.3 and reversed hard. QQQ couldn't hold the 620 resistance for long. The bot monitored 135 cycles. No issues found. Okay. Detail of position 2. So it did peak positive, and then it just reversed. Reverse hard. Oh. It peaked where we took profit. So remember, for the 3 ideas for the bots, I'm thinking that because what you know what you don't go broke doing? Taking a profit. I think that's what I'm learning, is just to be a little bit more aggressive. Yeah, my fault. All right, trade 2. The initial drop, lowest point, first profit, building strong, peaked, and then the manual sell. Very close, 0.5 away from TP4. The exit price was 12.9. Manual intervention. Bot was monitoring every 3 seconds. Position hit 15.9%, just almost 5 cents below TP4. User issued the manual sell. 1 second later, position filled at $90. Why the TP4 didn't trigger? The bot correctly did not trigger the TP4 because the price didn't reach the threshold. The price needed to hit 90. Bot behavior tracked it correctly. All right. Yes position was 0.5 away. The next 3 seconds might have caught it, but the user, before that, let that happen. All right. For the third position, entry, drop, building, peaked at 4.7, and then just sold it at 1.1. Peak analysis, TP target was 11% away. Exit, a duplicate signal. This was the same signal as 2. So yes, I need a deduplication where you don't enter the same signal. Okay. Oh. He's about to almost done. Like 1 more minute, then we're done here. So another thing that I'm going to learn is take my hands off the keyboard. Just take my hands off the keyboard, fam, and just let it do its thing. We trained it, so let it do its thing. Okay. So, Momo, you're done for the day. Beautiful. And then you should be done in a bit here too, fam. All right. So, I mean, basically, this is what I'm going to be doing. Okay. Brief relief, lowest point, testing, recovery starts, first profit, accelerating, momentum building, strong move, rapid climb, approaching TP4, very close, and then trigger TP4. Analysis, bot monitoring every 3 seconds, the 30 monitoring cycles in 1.5 minutes. At 11:15, it was at 15. Below TP4, didn't trigger, and then it reached TP4, then it triggered. Bot executed a limit order automatically at TP4, no manual intervention, and then we tracked the P&L correctly, made $11. No exit, no exit, no exit, then exit. Beautiful. You behave flawlessly. Yeah, you're done, though. I don't know what you screaming. All right, fam. So I'm gonna call it a wrap today. So I'm gonna continue this work that I'm doing here, but again, this isn't primarily what I wanted to do with you all. What I wanted to do with y'all is the paper trading. So we finished up paper trading, and I'll be back maybe like in a few hours so we can continue. Maybe I'll create another bot. Hold on, let me let you read this last. Okay. Stop loss, TP4 auto trigger, the 3-second monitoring, the peak tracking worked, the manual intervention prevented testing. So I intervened on 3, likely would have triggered, likely would have triggered, likely would have triggered. We left money on the table. No issues. Recommended bot stop with the manual intervention and let the take profit and stop loss work automatically. That's my lesson for today. I need to stop with that. And that's something that I'm understanding a little bit more, right? Just taking the emotions out of it, because you got to practice what you preach type shit. So nonetheless, it is your boy Kreative. We'll be back at it again with another episode. I really do appreciate y'all for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video and go check out our channel. We do have